Hello everyone, welcome to Zeta Biology Quick Revision Series. And today we are going to start the chapter Chemical Coordination and Integration. And this is going to be an intro lecture. So we are going to go through the basics of the chapter. So, nervous system and endocrine system. They jointly coordinate and regulate the physiological functions of the body. So, these are also known as integrative system. So, you should remember that. Now, let's talk about hormone. Hormone is basically a secretion of endocrine glands. So, secretion of endocrine glands. These are ductless glands, and hormone have some properties. So, firstly, these are non-nutrient chemicals. So, they don't contain any nutrients. They act as intercellular messengers. And these are produced in trace amounts. So these are produced in very less amounts. They pass message from one cell to another cell by binding with the membrane bound receptors. So now what are receptors? These are basically protein molecules. Okay, which are specific for specific hormones. And they bind with the hormone and pass the message from one cell to another cell. These are located on the cell surface, or these can also be located at intracellular positions. Now, endocrine glands are divided into two types. Okay, first is organized endocrine glands. Organized endocrine glands. These are also known as whole glands. So these are number one, pituitary gland. Pineal gland. Thyroid gland. Adrenal gland. pancreas, parathyroid gland, thymus, and gonads. The other type is unorganized. Sorry. Endocrine glands. These are GIT, kidney,